Promise Mkwananzi oya chivava oya chipopota nezvinhu zviri kuitika muparliament of Zimbabwe, achiona ma-MPs achirambidzwa nyangwe nekutobvunza mubvunzo, arambidzwa nekuraisa maqueries nemaquestions kana varimo muparliament. Sambenda mashoko abuda tagwa pana Promise Mkwananzi, notibva subscribe or like otina on the bell icon. Tinda pendo pakanyora chiti, why do we still have parliament if the MPs cannot ask questions? We have stated that the current parliament has been bastardized and delegitimized precisely because of this and the living threat of recall on any MP questioning the system. Without the freedom and immunity required for MPs to feel so secure enough during and even after Parliament, and without debate, Parliament has become an illegitimate white elephant. This also applies to the judiciary, which has been captured and lives under threat of reprimand should their judge base be inimical to Mr. Mnangagwa's political wishes. We cannot even talk about executive, at the heart of which emanates the rot and illegitimacy. The fish rots from the head, but at this point in time, the whole fish is rotten. Parliament, judiciary and executive. Mashoko atagwana Mkwananzi pana pachita aiwa zvinonzi hove inoora utanga musoro, but aona kuti yatoora yose. Vakomana vazobvunza ma-questions, havana freedom of speech in parliament, havana freedom after wabuda muparliament. Mashoko atagwana Mkwananzi, tudze mafungiro enyu, pindai comment section medu, musangano subscribe or like,